Miss Angel, what is
Gulis
Gulis?
is actually a tool to promote and cultivate Kapampangan culture and arts at a young age.
Congrats!
Welcome here ang past president, Ma'am Tracy.
Nano Babo Kabalen, kamusta kayo po? Ako'y Louie and welcome to Earn Pampanga. Ngayon po nga daw ni at saka kami Kenny Kamalig, Angeles City. And may invite kami po para maging participant kay book launch ng Ma'am Angel Puno. So this is a project of JCI. And matula kami po karing antiganining advocacies, karing antiganining gagawin din kaya katamong kayabe Kapampangan. Baka tamisulong niya pa po yung kaya katamong manong siswan, yung kultura, ating tamong arts section, ating tamong pong malilaring program. In advance, congratulations JCI Kulyat.
Hello JCI members, let us all rise to recite our JCI values, prayer and mission in unison and with conviction.
Ang advocacy na nini is to promote Kapampangan culture, heritage, and different traditions. Aliya mo kabod kay Ti Angeles, pag buo yung Pampanga.
Idea ko is magawa ko ng coloring book. As a designer, as an architect, buri ko, yung anak manguli ako. Siyempre, apply din pa nga buri ko din design. Yung activity po kayo ni, consist niya ng food, because Pampanga is the capital cuisine of the Philippines. Iganagan na tamong landmarks in Pampanga, kasi yung Salakot, yung isang pang Maragol, and other landmarks in Pampanga. At siya rin kaya matamang kulitan na bagya-bagya, kabiyayan tayo. Booking is actually a fundraising project. Yung price na yung book actually 500. So buy one, get one. Yung metong nila siya kaya katamang children beneficiary. Which is the Kapampangan Street Children kay Angeles pa. Yung meto, libro marakataasaw. Ali mo Kapampangan advocacy. Sarin mo ang anak mo rin na alam masyadong pagamitan o pangangailangan, less fortunate children na natin. O karing anak na bisang mabiyasa na ilan na rin maging katamong young stewards na anak pa mo, ituro ka rin yung katamong kulturang Kapampangan ni Bayi. Lumigay naman ng Kapampangan.
Bye, Kapampangan tayo yung katamong project chairman.
Alright, so congratulations JCI Kulyat and Angel Puno and her team. Congratulations kay launching ng kayang book. Sana dakalya pang volume yan, dakalya pang aso pa na tao, dakala pa rin taong makapamasa kanyan baka nita. Maging familiar la pa kay kaya katamo nga maano na ali eman etamo man diretso talagang magsalitang Kapampangan na malalam na istu pero tang pakamalan tayo at luluguran tayong kaya katamong lingwahe. Maragol na yung bagay nga ita. So ita, nung interested kayo po kitang book, we're gonna leave information kay ni pong lalam and all the contact details that you need to call or contact to baka nita midinan kayo pong copy na ning kayang Gulis book. So yeah, congratulations guys. Thank you so much for watching Earn Pampanga. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace out guys.